Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to save your Microsoft Word document directly to this PC by default. So Microsoft Word always saves your files exactly where you want them. Let's get started. First open Microsoft Word. And select options. On the left side, click save. Now check the box that says save to computer by default and check the box. This step forces Word to show this PC first instead of OneDrive or cloud storage. Right under that you will see a field labeled default local file location. Now choose the folder where you want Word to save all your documents automatically. You can choose desktop, documents, a custom folder, or even a folder on another drive. Once selected, click OK. Click OK at the bottom to save your settings. Close Word and open it again. Now every time you click save or save as, Word will save all your documents automatically to this PC and the exact folder you selected. And that's it. Your Word document will now always save directly to your computer, exactly where you want. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with someone who might need it.